We are in a cage. I don't know what's in here though. I don't know. All right, come on, get off of there. Let's go see what's in this cage. Oh, duckies! Look at ducks. I think that's a duck. I think. I don't know. Hey, look, ducks. Look at ducks. I think. Yeah. There we go. Ducks. Look at this one. What is that big one? Look at that big white one.
We see it. Hi.
Okay, come on. More ducks. Hey, look at this big bird. Come here. Come here, look it. That's an eagle, Park. That's a big bird, huh? I'm coming.
Mom, is that a falcon?
You see that? Whoa. Hang on. You guys don't like the eagle? Look at that big bird. Close that door. Come here. Look at that bird. That's a big bird. Come on. Parker. Hello. Come here. Look at a bird. See him? Big one? Come here. You don't see it? Come here. I show you. Come here.
Big one?
Yeah, right here it is.
I see it, dog.
See that bird? See him? He's looking at you. Looking at you. He's coming. He's coming.
Run!
Run. We better get out of here. Let's go.
Yeah.